Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the selection scheduler to find a valid college class schedule. Here's the scenario. A college student has 6 classes that she wants to take this semester. Each class has several different time options to choose from. For instance, a class might be held on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 10 to 11 a.m., Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays from 12 to 1 p.m., or on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 1 to 2 p.m. Every other class will have their own different availability options. She wants to find a valid schedule for her classes so that none of the class times overlap. Let's get started. Go to snugscheduler.com and click on the Explore tab. For college class scheduling, we'll use the selection scheduler. We'll start by selecting our time and date ranges. The time range will be from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And since the classes are the same every week, we only need to find the schedule for one particular week, and it will be the same for the rest of the weeks. So we'll select the dates of the first week of the semester. For the time interval, 1 hour is fine. And we'll leave input type as selection. Now, in this table, we can select the valid times that we want to schedule our classes. If we don't care about when the classes can be scheduled, we can just right-click and choose to select all. However, if we want to sleep in on Mondays and Fridays, we can only select the times after 11 a.m. as valid for those days. Now we'll begin with the first class, Math, and we'll select the color orange. Next, we input the same availability times from before, which was 10 to 11 a.m. for Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, 12 to 1 p.m. for Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, and 1 to 2 p.m. for Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. We'll repeat for all the other classes. So we inputted the available time options for all our other classes: English, Physics, History, Psychology, and Music. To find a valid schedule, we go to the bottom right and click Run Scheduler. Now we can see the final schedule with each color representing a different class. We can hover over each interval to find each class and its selected time. You can try the selection scheduler yourself right now. Start scheduling over at snugscheduler.com.